Welcome to our video on maximizing solar energy savings in Texas. In this video, we will explore how you can make the most of solar energy to save money and reduce your carbon footprint. Texas is known for its abundant sunshine, making it a perfect location for harnessing the power of solar energy. Let's dive in and discover the key strategies for maximizing your solar energy savings. The first step towards maximizing your solar energy savings is to invest in high-quality solar panels. By choosing top-rated panels from reputable manufacturers, you can ensure optimum performance and longevity. High-quality solar panels not only generate more electricity but also require less maintenance and have better warranties. When searching for solar panels, look for efficiency ratings, durability, and warranty information. Another crucial aspect of maximizing solar energy savings is optimizing the placement of your solar panels. Proper placement can significantly enhance their energy production. Ensure that your solar panels are positioned at an angle that maximizes sun exposure throughout the day. Consider factors like shading, roof orientation, and local climate conditions when determining the best placement for your panels. To get the most out of your solar energy system, it's vital to monitor and maintain it regularly. Monitoring helps identify any issues that may arise, such as reduced energy production or damaged panels. Regular maintenance, including cleaning panels and checking for debris, can optimize your system's performance. Additionally, consider investing in a solar energy monitoring system, which provides real-time data and alerts for efficient energy management. In Texas, there are several solar incentives available that can further maximize your energy savings. These incentives include tax credits, rebates, and net metering programs. The Federal Investment Tax Credit, ITC, offers a substantial tax credit for the installation of solar systems, reducing your overall costs. Additionally, many utility companies provide rebates or credits for solar energy production. Net metering allows you to sell excess solar energy back to the grid, offsetting your electricity bills. By following these key strategies, you can maximize your solar energy savings in Texas and enjoy the long-term benefits of clean, renewable energy. Invest in high-quality solar panels, optimize their placement, monitor and maintain your system, and take advantage of available solar incentives. Join the solar energy revolution and contribute to a more sustainable future for Texas and beyond.